Hey guys, Brent Gallagher here, Avenue Fitness, and I get a lot of questions about how do we set our facility up for efficiency. And so I want to kind of take you on a quick tour of our fitness space and show you what we've done to kind of take steps out of the equation to make things as efficient as possible. So the moment a client walks in the door here, which you're literally seeing the same view that a client sees when they walk in here, no front desk area here on this one, but we want them to get in and get straight into foam rolling here. So we've laid out this nice big kind of space here from a step standpoint, and we have also taken out the walk it to from the other side of the room here, grab a pad, bring it back over here. We've just said, hey, we're gonna cut these holes into our stages. We've got our foam rollers. We have obviously everything tucked up underneath here on the stage, so we've taken out all these additional steps so people don't have to walk far away and then come back. We've kind of given them a little bit of a cheat sheet here on this one. We've simply put together, hey, here's 7 things that we want people to do when they're coming in here. Some people have a great routine. Some people can't remember what to do. I mean, we all have those clients, right? And we wish that they would do this set routine we give them, but we said, hey, here are about the 7 common things that everybody needs to work on. We post it up on the board and allow people to work with it. On the flip side, we've got other things here too, as well as with our super bands. As opposed to looping these over the edges here in this one, we've simply just laid them over so we can grab them as efficient as possible. So again, we're only doing 30-minute sessions. We don't have a lot of time to sit here, try to fumble around with it all. We can simply come and grab it, take off, and move on to the next thing with it there. You flip behind you here on this one, you're kind of looking at the main open space on this one side here on this one. This is where we do more of our conditioning work, more of our movement stuff, any Olympic lifts and stuff, the rope works. But if you see these 2 dumbbell racks here, we've got one here, and we got one down on the far side. They are literally replica kind of sets from 3 to 25 pounds. So again, if we're working on this side of the space and there's people in the middle of us, we don't have to walk down to the far side to grab weights, to come back down here again. Everything we're talking about is all about efficiency with our sessions. So there is no kind of, I think, additional steps, not only for our clients, but for our team as well. And again, the same thing with the ropes here, with the benches. We've tried to lay things out in a very strategic manner that people can just grab and go, whether it's us, whether it's a client. We'll walk you over here to this far side. And again, kind of keeping with the band stuff, with our Cook bands, we simply just drape them over the top because we can use them here, we can take them over, and we can use them on any of the machines and stuff that we have over here. We have easy or simple with our TRXs tucked away. You saw a few of them kind of on the far side of there too as well. Again, we want to be able to have mirror images on one side to the other here with this. And so all of our TRXs on one side, and then we kind of get into our free motion stuff. But then we thought about too as well is where do we keep our attachments for efficiency? Is we're keeping our bars here close to the cable machines here, so we can simply take them on. And then on the back side of this too as well, I'll show you here on this one side. We've simply taken and we've hooked up certain stuff that we might want to use. So if we want to kind of get into more conditioning based work here, we've simply hooked things around to the back side of it. Again, with our dumbbell racks there, the same set as what we have on the far side, just to keep the flow of things going. Down here, again, keeping with the attachments on the back side of it all. We keep all of our ropes, jump ropes here, everything attached to the back, so we can keep things flowing here for our clients. And then the same setup that we have up top here. But I just wanted to kind of take you through this, show you very quickly, hey, this is how we keep things super efficient, and we're constantly tweaking this stuff. We constantly get together as a team and say, hey, what do we need to move around? I mean, like technically right now we're trying to figure out a better spot and a better position for these boxes here. And are we gonna take 1 or 2 of them over to the far side because we end up using them over there? Or do we keep them here where they've always been? And so we wanna make sure that we're not just saying, hey, that's it, we decided that's the best place for us to be. Now all of a sudden we're looking at it, it's constantly tweaking, saying, can we take it over here? Can we move it over to the far side with it all? So I want you to do this. As you walk through your facility, start to look and say, where are we running very inefficient? What is slowing us down? Where are there hiccups? Where are there things that slow down not only our clients, but us as a team too as well? And then sit down with the team and kind of wrestle with it and say, hey, how can we do this better? How can we set this up in a way that is more efficient for us? Especially if you're running 30-minute sessions. If you have the hour sessions, you have a little bit more time, you have a little bit more breathing room. But these 30-minute sessions, you have to look at it and say, how can I set my entire space up for efficiency? Any questions, fire me an email, brent@avenuefit.com, or connect with me in any other way through Instagram there, Brent Gallagher Fit, or through Facebook, social media side of things. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if I can help you. Myself, my team, we're experts at this stuff. We've been doing it for 10.5 years, so we've kind of understand, hey, this is how we can help others do the same thing too. So until next time, we'll see you then.